Okay, we're going to show you how to dance to Santa's Coming for Us. Yay! The first part of the song, this is for the three Santa's angels. You're going to be standing with your hands on your hips and with your left shoulder facing towards the audience and your left foot at a bevel while Julia's singing the first part of the song, which is slow. So lovely, while she's singing come true, just face forward. Then you're going to kind of shake your hips to the right and left. You're going to go right, left. You're going to stick your hip out and your left foot is, your left knee is going to go forward. Then you're going to switch. So it's the hip, like far hip, yeah. If it helps, you can pick up your heels, but I don't think you really need to. So it's going to go do, 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 do. Okay? So it's right, left, right, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Santa's coming to town. Yeah. And as you're doing that, you're going to put your head tilt too. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, Santa's coming to town. And then you're bobbing your hips to your left. And your right knee is out. So it's Santa's coming to town. Then you're going to put your hands like this, like a little penguin. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then your left knee is out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you're doing that, your shoulders are also moving too. So they're going up and down. So from here, it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't remember how many times that was, but then it's Santa's coming to town. Exactly. Then, on all the verses, you're going to right together, left together. And you're going to do a snap. Left together, right together. And then until you're going to do you're the angel on the top of my tree. Okay? Angel on top of my tree, let's do this. Right? That's like yeah. Whatever you guys like. But arm coming up, I don't remember how you guys did it. I'm assuming it's this. Yeah. Okay, cool. And it was a little bit of a bevel. That's good. Okay. And then you're going back. Spirit above, fill your heart with all of your love. Santa's coming for us. Santa's coming for us. Okay? So you're going to sing Santa's coming for us. Santa's coming for us. So you're going to do same arm, same leg. It's going to be right first. So you're going to, you're waving high, 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 high. Okay? As you're doing that, you're putting your right foot forward, into a point, just a straight point, not on the side or anything. Straight. So Santa's coming for us. Santa's coming for us. Santa's coming for us. Santa's coming for us. Santa's coming for arms up. Oh, Santa's coming for us. And then you're going to go back to the verse where you're doing the step together. Oh wait, I think it was supposed to be, no, that was right. And I think it's Santa's coming to town. Oh, da da da, da da da, da da da, da da da, da da da. Santa's coming to town. Good. Okay, let's do that with the music. Yeah. Slow. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do the snaps. Step, snap, 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 step, snap, 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 oh, sorry. Again, I messed up. Ready? Slow with the head tilt. And this is the 3 split with the shoulders. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left, left, right. And back to right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And this is a slow one, going to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Lead with your hips. And you're gonna do one more. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Santa's coming to town. Oh my gosh. So if you want to go to Denny's, just watch this tutorial.